Guys, this is LJ Mast, author of the book Get Your Head Out of the Sand, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about how I made some spice racks for my wife. So let me flip this around. Okay, at the end of this video I'm going to show you some photos from when I was building it. So let me give you a tour of what we got here. You notice that each rack holds about 6 bottles on each side for a total of 24 bottles per spice drawer or spice rack. Each one of these is custom designed. I went ahead and looked at the size bottles that we're going to be using, and so each drawer is just a little bit different. So I'm not going to be giving you a bunch of measurements, though I use 10-inch slides from cabinetparts.com, I believe it is. I will be putting a link at the bottom of this video. And the slides are what makes this possible. You notice the top here, you can see those slides. They work really, really well. And if you have deeper covers, you would use like 11-inch instead of a 10-inch. Now, one thing I want to point out, you notice I have dowels on each one of these. Because without the dowels, I found it hard to get them in and out. But you notice as I pull this out, you see how it extends out there. So I used a screw, a spring, and a dowels, and that makes it possible for you to have a little bit extra flexibility there, so you can get these out really easy. And while you're pulling it on that side, the other side's popping a little bit too. I had to offset them so they slide in and out, so you notice that each one's offset from the drawer next to it. One disadvantage of this system is that you can't pull it all the way out. So the spice rack, the spice bottles in the very back, in order to get to them, you have to remove the one in front of it. So what we do is we put these spices back there that we use maybe a couple times a year. It only takes a couple extra seconds to get them out, but the alternative was this jumbled space that all you can see is the top of the bottles, and you have no idea what you're doing, and you're trying to cook and you can't find what you're looking for. Now we've got 24, 48, 90, let's see, I think 96, whatever, 24, no, about 70. So we got about 70 bottles of spice in there. And for my Christmas present for my wife, I went to the store and I bought just about one of everything I could find. And we're loving it. And I just wanted to give you that guy's idea. I'm going to put a couple of pictures at the end that show the layout, how I'll show it without these drawers inside, and a little bit of how I'll put them together. I'm not going to give you great details because I'm making this video after the fact, but also because every single project is going to be a little bit different. I'm hoping that by seeing what I did, that you'll be able to go ahead and get the ideas and be able to do it yourself. Okay, I'll just go ahead and show you the little slideshow with a few pictures, and make sure if you like this that you like the video, comment, and subscribe.